Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree / 99-cent store makeup haul. There is a couple of skincare items in here, but mostly they are in the Dollar Tree section. But most of this is makeup, so if you want to see what I picked up from both of these amazing dollar stores, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like drugs or makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you could like the video if you like it, and the video is going to start right now. And if you're interested in the look that I have going on today, this is a almost full face of She Glam makeup. We used a lot of new products in that video, so if you want to watch that, that's going to be linked down below if it's up already. This is like a Halloween-y kind of look. I definitely love everything that I used in that video, so don't miss out on that one. So we can get these skincare items out of the way. The first product that I purchased from Dollar Tree was the Bolero Hydrating Facial Gel Cleanser, and this is the watermelon and sweet mint. It says it's great for all skin types, so we will see what I think of this product. I've been on the hunt for a new affordable cleanser. I use a lot of products from Cherimoya website, so I do want to see if I can find a holy grail at the dollar store. So I've been looking at some of the Dollar Tree products that they have for skincare specifically, because sometimes Cherimoya takes a while to get to my house, so just as a backup this will work just fine. So I want to see how my skin reacts to it. So that's how that looks. Let me know if you own this down below. What are your thoughts? But it looks pretty promising. The next product I believe is also from Bolero. Yes, this is the facial mist, and it says it's the energy boost one. I did see a couple other ones in this packaging, a couple of different colors, and they all have like a different type of job. So this one says it is an energy boost. It has vitamin C and cucumber. It says it gives your skin an energizing spritz of reviving ingredients for a radiant glow. So we shall see how this works. I'm definitely going to use this in a video because it looks like there is little shimmers in the product, but this one looks pretty promising and I can't wait to use it. I wonder if it has a smell to it. Okay. Oh my gosh, it does smell like cucumber. It smells really good. Okay. It has like a little glow to it, but nothing extraordinary. So I want to see how this works on the skin, and I'll definitely let you guys know in an empties video or in a favorites video, depending on what I feel about it. But so far it smells so good. It's making my arm feel a little sticky. Again, the smell is really nice, so I'll let you guys know how this works out for me. I also picked up a couple of the items that come in little bags. So this one is the facial hydrator. It has sea algae and rosehip oil. So there's a look at that product. And I also did purchase a cleansing balm, and this also has aloe and agave. I don't know how to say that. It's meant to clarify, cleanse, and feel refreshed. So I am going to open both of them. Let's take a look. So there's a look at that product. So it is like a clear situation, and it looks like a jelly. Like it's like moving around in there. So we'll see how this works. I'm not going to open it now. That looks pretty interesting. I didn't think it was going to be watery like that. It's almost like a jelly kind of texture. I thought it was going to be like an actual balm. Interesting. Okay, so there's that product. And then we have the hydrator, which looks like this, and it seems to be a cream situation. Interesting. I really like the packaging, and it does come with a pump. Interesting. So there's a look at that. Oh my gosh, it feels really cooling on the skin. Oh, it's like you're throwing water. Oh my gosh, it's so hydrating. What is this meant to be? Yeah, it's a hydrator. So it's meant to revive dull skin with a blast of moisture boosting ingredients. I can definitely see that. It is like you're throwing water on your skin. Okay, so I definitely can't wait to use this in my skincare routine, or even like before makeup application, just to give myself a little bit of hydration. I think this is gonna work rather well. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's get into the makeup. I picked up two of the LA Colors mascaras. These are the big lash mascaras. So I got the one in purple and I got the one in navy. So these I've actually had before. I've had the one in the black shade and it worked rather well. I think I still own it. So I did want to pick up a couple of colorful tones to see how they work. But you do get a picture of the like wand. Looks like a like normal wand applicator. So I can't wait to use these, and especially when I'm doing like colorful looks for the lower lash line, I love using colorful mascaras. I also love the fact that these are so travel size. Love it. I'm not going to open them because they are new and I have a lot of mascaras open already, but again, this is the one in purple. And then we have the one in navy. So there's a look at that. These are so cute. Again, extremely travel size. Such a good size to like throw in your purse and stuff. So So glad that I picked these up. These are some of the products that I always see at my Dollar Tree, and I've been contemplating on picking up. I just never bit the bullet, but for $1 I think these are rather good. Next, I picked up another shade in the Glow with the Flow bronzers from Beauty Benefits. Yeah, and this is in the shade Warm Sun. So there's a look at that product. I do own it already, but I do have it in a deeper shade, so I think this shade will suit my skin tone a little better. There's a look at that shade. So pretty. It looks a little shimmery, honestly, now that I'm looking at it. Okay, so there's that shade there. Oh, it's like a little light, but sometimes I see that products like this, like bronzers and stuff, sometimes they look a little light on this, like on the swatch, but then when you throw it on, it looks so good. The only thing I didn't expect is that it actually is a shimmery kind of bronzer, almost highlighty. So we shall see how this works on the skin, but I was definitely not expecting that because the other bronzer is a matte bronzer. So I don't know why this lighter shade is shimmery, but again, we're going to try it out on the face and see. Another Beauty Benefits product, I bought a blush, and this is the one in Berry Lovely. So there's a look at that, and that's how Berry Lovely looks. It looks a little deep, but I thought it would work rather well for my skin tone. There's a close-up look at that product. Again, it has that shimmery kind of texture. This one is way more pigmented than the bronzer. Oh, that one's nice. I'm like way more impressed by the blush than with the bronzer, honestly, so I can't wait to use this one, especially for fall. I think this is such a beautiful blush. Next, I have a couple of, these are also from Beauty Benefits, but they come in a different type of packaging. So this one here is the Contour Duo, and no specific name. This one I always see at my Dollar Tree, so I'm like, why not just pick it up and see what I think of it. So there's a look at that. So it is a bronzer duo, so it looks like it comes with a cream side and a bronzy type of side. I do have a product that looks like this from LA Colors that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and it looks like this, but it does come with more product. So let me give these a swatch. Okay, they barely showed up. Honestly, I'm not that impressed by them, but again, we're gonna see how they look on the face. I love the fact that it's extremely small and perfect for travel, or if you do your makeup on the go. So we're gonna see how this works, because I think it's gonna be extremely interesting to see how the brush will fit in this small packaging. But again, we're gonna give it a try. We never know, maybe it's amazing, but so far I'm like about this one. Lastly, from Beauty Benefits, we have this product, which is their foundation powder. I forgot I purchased this, and this one, it doesn't even have a specific name to it, but that's how that looks. I never noticed that it was a foundation powder. When I would see it at Dollar Tree, I always thought it was like a under eye powder or something, which I can definitely use it as an under eye powder because the shade is a little light. It's probably going to be the way that I use it. Again, it doesn't have a specific name. I believe they all come in this shade. And there's a look at that. That's how the foundation powder looks. Now let's see how pigmented it is. Oh, it is rather light, so this will work as an under eye powder for me. And it is like a thin kind of formula, which is interesting for being a foundation. Well, I guess it's a foundation powder, so it's supposed to. Yeah, but that's not going to work all over the face for me and my skin tone. But as an under eye powder, it might work rather well. So we'll see what I think of this. I think this is a really nice size product because I can definitely get a brush in here, opposed to the contour one that we just saw. This one's going to be a little difficult. So we'll see how this works. We're definitely going to use this in a Dollar Tree video coming up, and we'll see what I think. But so far I'm more impressed with this product than with the contour product. So that was actually it for the Dollar Tree. Next, we're going into the 99-cent store where I purchased so much stuff. First, let's get into the Cherimoya products. They did just add 2 shades in this liquid lipstick. So I have the shade Delilah, which is a purpley kind of tone, and then we have this one, which is a little deeper, and this is in the shade Velvet Queen. These are their liquid matte lipsticks. Here's a look at those 2, and these are the only 2 shades that were available at my local 99-cent store. I did go to a different one yesterday, and again I saw both of these shades. So I'm going to swatch this first one, which I hate that the actual name is not on the packaging. It's always just on the box, which is really weird because you throw away the box anyway. So that's how the applicator looks. It is rather long. Honestly, not that impressive. This deeper shade is okay, I'd say, but they are like really patchy. You have to build them up quite a bit, but we'll see how they work on the actual lips. But swatching wise, I'm not that impressed. Next, I picked up two Cherimoya products. We have the the Max Makeup Cherimoya sticks. So I believe both of these are highlight sticks. I always see these at my local 99-cent store. And there's a look at those two. They look really intriguing. I definitely had to pick them up. These are the only two shades that were available at my 99. And they don't have any specific names to them either, but they do have like little unicorns, pizza, and ice cream pictures on them, which is really cute. So I'm going to take this yellow one first. Oh, they're really pigmented. Okay, let's try the blue one. Oh, they feel really creamy. Really pigmented. So we'll see how I use these. I believe they're liquid highlights, but I don't know. It's like really golden. You see that other shade? This one looks pretty nice. I think this is going to be a great like inner corner highlight situation. But again, we're going to see how I use these because I believe they're liquid highlights. I could be wrong, but I will have to do some research on these two products. But they look so cool and I definitely had to pick them up. Next product, I actually picked up another shade in the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner. And this is in the shade Pewter, which is like a bluey kind of tone. Okay, so I'm not going to be able to take off the rest of the packaging, like the plastic, but we can give it a little bit of a swatch moment. So basically it reminds me like of the Urban Decay liners that everybody was obsessed with. It's basically a glitter liner. So let's look at, oh, that looks so stunning. It's just like the most practical way to throw on glitter in my opinion. It's just so easy. So there's a look at Pewter. Oh, that looks so nice. So I can't wait to use this on the eyes. I'm going to say that this is a body liner, but I still use it on my eyes. I don't really recommend you do that, but that's just my opinion. It was so easy to take off. I didn't even notice. But there's a close-up look at the shade Pewter. Before we get into the Ioni products, I have a Smoke and Mirrors lip oil. This is a juice infused lip oil in the style Strawberry. It comes in various scents and colors and stuff. It comes in a red tone as well. So there's a look at that. The 99-cent store always has Smoke and Mirrors. You can also find them at Five Below. So there's a look at that product. Again, this is the juice infused lip oil in Strawberry. Oh, I thought it was going to be like a roller situation, but on the inside you can see there's a doe foot applicator. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. So there's a look at that. It's pretty long. Oh yeah, it smells like strawberry. It smells really good. It looks like the doe foot applicator actually picks up a lot of product, which I find really annoying when my lip oils don't pick up a lot of product because it takes so long to throw on. So this one looks pretty promising. Can't wait to use this on the lips. And then we have a Milani brush, also from the 99, and this is a concealer and precise blending brush. So there's a look at that. So they did have quite a bit of these at my local 99. Ooh, okay, so there you see. Oh, it looks so nice. Oh, that's gonna work so perfectly. Definitely you can use this as a concealer brush, like to blend out the concealer under your eyes. It's like the perfect size, or even for eyeshadow to blend. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one looks really promising. Can't wait to use this. Just went ahead and added that to my brush collection. And next we have a bunch of Ioni products. So I did post these on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on there, it's just Steph_blogs makeup. I did pick up both of the eyelash glues from Ioni, and yeah, this one is the one in black, and then we have a clear. And I did post these on my Instagram. So you want to see the other things that they had available at my 99-cent store, head over there. But yeah, I was so happy to see these and I had to pick them up. I couldn't just leave them there because you guys know I use a lot of lashes for my videos and stuff, so I definitely need lash glues on hand. I already own the clear version, just a regular lash glue from Ioni, and I felt like it worked rather well. So why not pick up these two? Let me know down below if you pick these up. I definitely can't wait to see how these work. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot to show you guys the Milani blush that I found yesterday. This is a powder blush in the shade Luminous 08. Oh my gosh, and this shade looks stunning. Can't wait to use this one. It's so rare to see Milani at the 99. Like, you see it occasionally, like in concealers and stuff, but actual blushes I hadn't seen. So I was super excited to see this. And then they also had like some foundations and other things. So they also had like a luminous, it was like a liquid highlight, and for like deeper skin tones, go to the 99 girl, because they have so many available. And this is the shade Luminous 08. Oh, it's so pretty. That's how that looks. So it is just a tad light, but I think I can make it work. It is luminous, almost looks like luminoso. It looks so pretty, so I can't wait to use this one. I also picked up a liquid lipstick from the Ione line, and this is a Dia de los Muertos line, and this one's in the shade Cantar, which means sing in Spanish. So there's a look at that. I don't want to show you guys this hand because my nail broke, but this shade looks so beautiful. Again, I hate that the name is not on the actual product, but yeah, I already own like two, I believe. I have like an orangey tone and a red, so I wanted a pinky kind of shade. Even though these aren't the greatest liquid lipsticks, they smell so good, and I just love having Ione options in my collection. It's such a beautiful tone, love it. And I did purchase a pair of lashes, and these are in the style Wispy Cat Medium, and these were also available with that lash glue that I showed you guys earlier. Those two lash glues. They had a bunch of other styles. I felt like this style would work rather well for me. It looks so pretty, so wispy, but not overly dramatic. Yeah, can't wait to use these on the eye. And lastly, not makeup related, but they do have these cute little like notepads, and they come with the clipboard. It's so cute for $1.99 in this cheetah print. I definitely had to show this to you guys because it comes in two other like styles. So pretty. I love writing stuff and like making notes of everything, making plans and stuff, organizing. So I think this is going to come in handy for me, and I just love the fact that it came in cheetah print. So cute. And with that, we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds for jokes that are high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.